What is up, everybody? This is Baxter over at carwashcountry.com. Today I really wanted to just answer a quick question that I see a lot online, and that is it safe to use dish liquid like Dawn on your car? I've heard some people say never use it. I've heard some people say it's okay. Some people say it's okay, but it'll dry your trim out. And so I did some research. I just wanted to give you guys my take on it. It's something that I'm guilty of doing in the past when I first started washing cars. And it really, after doing research, I found that in general, it's perfectly safe on car paint if you really think about what's in it. Unless you buy the dish liquid that's got those abrasive crystals. Sometimes they put in soap that really helps with scrubbing. Unless you purchase something like that, you really don't have to worry about anything scratching the vehicle. But in terms of using it every single time, it does strip off wax, and that's really why I would not use it. If you have any wax or sealant or anything on your car that you want to stay on there to protect it, then you don't really want to use Dawn, because it will take off just about anything, including bug guts, including some things you want to remove. But for most people, I wouldn't use it, and the reason is most people don't wax their car. If they strip off the wax down to the clear coat, they don't reapply wax. So for most people, you want to go with just a basic car soap. Something by Meguiar's is usually good, and I think something with a car wax built into the soap is a good idea for most people, because they don't really have time to wax, or they just don't want to wax. So for most consumers, continually adding a layer of wax every time you wash your car is going to be beneficial. For car enthusiasts, any premium car soap is what I would probably go with, and then you can go back over with a dual action polisher or something like that. In terms of dish soap drying out rubber or trim, I really haven't seen any hardcore evidence to support that. I've seen some people say that. I haven't really seen any tests on it. I think a lot of products will dry out trim over time, but I don't think it's something to really worry about for most people. But if that's all you have, just go for it, I guess. But understand you always want to have a layer of protection. So while it won't hurt your paint necessarily, I don't really think it's a huge deal to really worry about. You do need to protect your paint over time. So I would probably just go with a regular car soap. They're pretty cheap. You can pick up a bottle for like less than $10 most of the time. So let me know if you guys have any feedback, any comments, and feel free to check out carwashcountry.com. I actually have an ebook if you guys haven't downloaded that yet. Check it out, carwashcountry.com/25. That's 25 just essential detailing products if you're a beginner to think about checking out. So until next time, hope you guys have a great afternoon, and I'll see you later. Thanks.